Pero di gasto man ka kuan. Okay, kuan. Kanang vanity drawer.
What's that?
I don't know, but looks interesting. Very neutral flavor. I don't know.
Even
Oh my god, it's so on time.
Electronic devices to reboot. Thank you for your cooperation.
It's right. So, welcome to Tagum City. Eh? So this is Tagum City, guys. The capital of Davao Province, no? See? Tagum. Look at the trees of Tagum.
oh, agom kuan jud.
How long is the squid? Eh? This is tofu.
What can I say?
Yes. All I can say is yes. Love, red scallop. We're here at the Chiayi train station, and we're having train station sushi. Ito na bayaran kay 450. 450, mura siya duha ka chicken joy. Pero 450 Taiwanese dollars man, mura siya duha ka Taiwanese chicken joy.
辅助椅上面把它放平躺的哈。
Diba? May Porsche today.
上在山线。
So we are in Alishan Nature Preserve. Look at this. How beautiful this is. And truth be told, we are in our element. You see this? You see all of this? This is all my mountaineering gear. I just love it. So there's one tree that I never thought I'd see because it's not very common, and it's not really rare, but it doesn't really occur in the wild anymore. This is a ginkgo biloba tree. Look at that.
It's so called a hack. Let's move here.
Staff. I think this is the staff office. There's no light pollution. So, we are in Alishan, as they call it, where evening has just fallen, and we're having dinner, and we're having hot pot.
A couple more vegetables.
We just had a very good meal at a quaint mountain restaurant. We had beef hot pot, and it's the perfect meal to have in this weather. We also had some vegetables that they foraged in the area. It's very nice. A lot of families here. It's a resort resort, I guess. I'm not sure if it's a resort, but it's resort park. It's very beautiful. Very beautiful. Night at Alishan Nature Reserve. We just had a very good lunch.
Dinner?
Dinner, rather. And now we're preparing for bed. But first, having a beer in the garden.
Yeah. Okay. No, like the other
Madam.
来，早安哦！乐康乐饮蛋小点哈，咖啡加母茶蛋丸汤、鱼卷汤哦。Hello， 先早安，你要喝什么？
早安，是什么乐康乐饮？
加不加糖？几杯？跟他拿。弟弟，你要不要巧克力跟牛奶？巧克力。
早上有什么吗？喝个热汤啊，贡丸汤、笋汤。
那你这个对，今天他们呢，对一个黑。
多香的不会再混了啊，有条纹的哈。来，我们有为各位送的实验器，这是对的，这个实验器啊。
Here you go. May it be an evening star. Okay. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Oh my god, my eyes.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh my god, it's so nice.
Wow.
很幸福，可以看到太阳升上来，然后面上一球蛋好吃。对，再看一点，再看一点。
I mean, we are directly.
Staring at the sun.
You can't see this.
That's blinding.
It's blinding, it's blinding. Oh. Sunrise. Let's go. We'll go back to the train
Alishan sunrise. At least skip to the good part. Look how beautiful that is.
I know.
They entered Fangorn Forest. What madness drove them there? Ba-ba-bam, ba-ba-bam, ba-ba-bam. And now we go into the woods. This is the what trail is this? This is the Zushan footpath. So it's 890 meters, and we should exit across the railroad track And then we're going to the Four Sisters Pond. Oh my god, I love this. You know, in the Bible, when they talk about Lebanon cedars, if you're curious what a cedar tree looks like, this is it. Not quite from Lebanon, but this is a Taiwanese cedar. Massive. One thing I really like about hiking in nature is that nature makes you realize how small you are compared to how fleeting your life, how small you are compared to the grandeur of nature, how insignificant your life is compared to the look at these guys. Look at these ancients. They've been here around hundreds of years. So if any one of you, I mean if you're so consumed by your arrogance and your quest for vainglory, take a hike in nature. It will humble you. It will humble you. So, it's 7:35 in the morning, and the hotel breakfast is only until 9.
10.
And I'm not sure if we can still make it to breakfast, but this is worth missing breakfasts. This is worth missing a few meals. Look at this. A giant cedar, a giant pine, a forest trail. It's beautiful. Here we go. The two paths intersect. Here, yeah. Both sides. Does it have the tannins you expect from mountain water? Four trees grew on top of it. Jesus. All right, so this is a plantation, and you can tell really when there's, say, new growth versus old growth forests. That's why reforestation sometimes is might not be enough to offset global warming, because as you can see, this is new growth forest. This has been replanted, and there's not a lot of biodiversity compared to old growth forests. So yeah, preserve the old growth forests. Let's just go. Magnolia Garden, and then there's a bridge. There should be bathrooms here. All right, so sometimes when trees are felled for lumber, the stumps become fertile ground for seedlings of other trees. So just like that one, for example, there are 1, 2, 3 trees growing on an old stump. That's also I think no different, because I was gonna say inspiration behind the bonsai style of raft, but look at that. So these are Formosan red cypress. This one they say is between 887 to 949 years old. That other one is between 597 to 603 years old. Almost a millennium year old, half a millennium old. Jesus. So this is giant tree number 28. It's said to be between 1087 to 1103 years old. That's over a millennium. For perspective, the Battle of Hastings hasn't happened yet. The Muslim Caliphate still ruled most of the Arabian Gulf, most of the known world. Oh, Jesus!
And this tree is already here.
This tree was already here. Okay, so we're getting really, really close to the tree. Look at it! Look how big it is! For perspective, tree is over 1,000 years old. That's older than many modern nation states.
哦，你看还有树瘤。
That's beautiful.
我要去看它年纪多大。
因为我穿红色的衣服。
我就是挑工嘛是安尼，做真正来查的。
Just imagine living on top of one of those, no? You keep it clear of parasites. It's beautiful. I don't think we should call yours Taiwanese. I like it. It's a beautiful place. Very worth it. If you ever go, if you come to Taiwan and you have time, make your way here. Make your way here. And spend probably 2 days. We spent overnight. We wish we could have spent 2 more days because there's so much to see. The hiking trails are beautiful. They're easy. So they're easy. They have trails, proper like walkways, not even trails, walkways, footpaths, and